junior commission officer from Indian Army who served Indian Army for 30 years, and now he is being asked for any army man who has served this country honorably, that after 30 years of service, he is being asked by the BJP Assam government to prove his nationality. And please remember that the Foreigners Tribunal in last 2 years, they have issued 40,000 is being taken to demean people by asking them to show their nationality, citizenship. And the biggest example which has come to the public notice is of Azmal Haq, who after serving 30 years in an Indian Army is now being asked to prove citizenship. I hope that common sense will prevail on the BJP Assam government, and they will stop this kind of activity, which is nothing but targeting Indian citizens who are living peacefully in Assam.